What is up guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make $100 per day with Amazon affiliate, and I'm going to be sharing with you one super secret tactic that nobody else is sharing with you, and it can really help you to make a lot more money than just $100 with Amazon affiliate. Okay, and you can also use this tactic in any affiliate product. It is really going to work very well. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now guys, we are going to hop into this video and let me share with you the whole process. So basically, first of all, let me tell you a little thing about the Amazon affiliate. You can simply come on the Amazon associate. I will leave the link of the website in the description. Okay, so basically you are going to get from around 1% to up to 15% whenever anybody will buy. But the catch is this: the best thing on this website is there are two cookies. One is of 24 hours and another one is of 90-day cookies. Basically, if you are going to send somebody to the Amazon with your affiliate link and he is going to add any product within 24 hours in the cart, and if he is going to buy that product which he added in the cart within 24 hours, he is going to buy it within 90 days, you will be get paid. Okay, and the catch is this: if in that 24 hour you have let's say you have promoted a camera, okay, and he is going to buy a tripod and a mobile phone and many other things. Okay, so you will not only be paid for the camera, but you will also be get paid for the tripod and the mobile phone as well, just because in the 24 hours whatever he is going to buy, you will be get paid for that. Okay, but there are two conditions. If he is going to click any other link, click any other associate link, any other affiliate link, then you will not be get paid. Okay, because on that time the cookie will be transferred to that link. Okay, and also if the window is closed, basically the 24-hour cookie is for only the one window. Let's say if I click to your affiliate link and if a window will be opened, and if I am going to cancel that window, I'm going to reopen the Amazon, then probably you will not be get paid. Okay, so you need to remember basically the 90-day cookie really helps a lot in making a lot more money, and the 24 hours is also very helpful because you will be get paid for everything they are going to buy. Okay, so now how are we going to make money? First of all, you can simply join over here for free, and thereafter let's say we are going to promote a camera. Basically I have picked this one, okay, Canon EOS R. So if you want to know about all of these things, you can simply install an extension called keywords everywhere. Okay, it's a completely free extension. You can simply just Google it and you can simply install this. Okay, so now as you can see, let's say we are going to, when I search for this on the YouTube, probably I got the results. Look at this, there is a ton of competition. The searches are just 30 per month, but look at this, over 0.59. okay, it's literally very hard to rank. Okay, and even look at this, the channels with high authority, 370,000 subscribers, 680,000 subscribers. Probably they are getting a lot of subscribers, a lot of authority, only then they are able to rank. But we are not going to do this stuff. We are going to use another tactic to rank our video, and we are also going to use another tactic to make us people buy from you. Okay, so basically the first thing what you can do, you can literally come on the Amazon and you can find the best selling product. Okay, so if you are going to find, for example, this is the best seller, Canon EF50. Okay, so what you are going to do when you are going to search for this, okay, when you are going to search for this stuff, maybe it is having a lot more competition or not, but probably people are going to see this camera on the Amazon and they are going to simply head over to the Google or YouTube, and they will look for the review, whether if the camera works properly or not. Only after that they are going to buy this stuff. Okay, so they are going to buy this stuff after that. So as you can see, there are tons of reviews, and literally the searches are more than that, and also the competition is more than that. So when you are going to keep on searching that, you do not need to just sell the camera, you can just literally find anything. Okay, but what I will recommend you, do not just select the kind of do not just select only the electronic products, because on the electronic products you have to do a review. okay, and probably you can do the review without even the product, okay, without the product, but that will be not that much effective. And the second way to do the review of the electronic items, you can simply rent them, okay. I will also tell you the third way, that is also way more powerful. So as you can see, this website is going to give you everything like accessories, audio, but if you want anything like to rent, you can simply google it like camera renting online store, or maybe camera renting near me. Probably it is going to also reveal the result. Look at this, okay. So they are also going to look at this, so that is what I want to share with you, okay. That is what I want to share with you. You can simply rent a camera, you can simply take the pictures and do a review on that basis, but that will not be that much effective. So that's why I do not recommend the electronics product to do a review. You can simply do a review on other products, okay, like kitchen products, or there are many things like but the kitchen products are really having less competition, and also you will start getting a ton of a ton of interaction, okay. They are not having that much enough competition, and plus you will also start getting a lot of interaction, okay. So what you can do, you need to find the products which are having less competition, okay. You can also do like you can also do something like you can also do with the decoration stuff, okay. You can start a channel on that, and then you can simply keep on uploading videos, because with the decoration you do not have to just have to buy that stuff, or even if you want, you can simply rent that out. But the catches is the third thing, how you can get the product without even buying that. Basically what you can do, you can find a product which is maybe it is having some kind of the very low search volumes and very low competition. When you're going to keep on exploring these things, you will be keep on finding a good product that is having less competition. Then you just simply need to pick up the name, and then simply come on the YouTube and just look at whether there are videos ranking for that or not. Just simply find a keyword which is having super cheap competition, and simply create a video on that, okay. After you have created a video on that, your video will start ranking on this channel, so I'm sorry, on the YouTube, okay. On the YouTube. So probably as I have also saw, look at this video with just 473 subscribers, 480 subscribers, 440 subscribers are ranking on this page, even over this guy, okay. Probably these are even uploaded after that, after these videos. Look at this, 6 years ago, 3 years ago, 3,000 views, 891,000 views. So probably you can also rank for those videos, okay. When you are going to rank for those videos, simply just do one thing, take a screenshot of your dashboard and take a screenshot of this of the video, okay, and simply just make an arrow on your channel, and then simply just send the when you are going to select any product, for example this one, you can also talk to the seller, okay. So you can tell them, can you please give me your email for some business queries, okay. He's literally going to give you the business query, email for business, okay. Then what you need to do, you need to email him, email that guy that my channel is this and I'm ranking for this video on the top, can you please send me a review unit or a product for the trial, so that I can literally place a kind of do a review, and I will just upload it on the YouTube, because I have authority and all that stuff you can do, because he will understand, he do not a lot of things like SEO and all those things, but he will see that your video is ranking on the top, probably you know a lot of things. So that's what you need to do. And then you, if at all he is not going to give you a review unit, he will at least give you the product for the rent, even for free, okay. He can give you the product for 2 days, 3 days, just for review, and then you can simply return it. That's what I want to say, okay. And probably you can also do the review of books. You have probably seen a ton of channels like animated book summaries channel. Those are the perfect methods, okay. That's because they are just warming up the people. See, first of all, they are giving them value, that what this product do, all those things, okay. And thereafter they make the people aware about the product, and simply they just tell them just buy this, it will help you. So probably you can also do that. So these are the things with the Amazon affiliate, and the secret tactic is of getting the product, as I've already shared. Just find out the low keyword competition find out the low keyword competition, okay, low competition keyword, and then simply rank it, and then simply you can demand for anything like you can simply demand the product you need. Okay, and also guys, I have one more tactic that can really help you to make a lot more money with Amazon affiliate. If you want that, leave a comment below and I will do a video on that. Oh, and plus share this video as much as possible. The more the video will be shared, the more and more the fastly I will make that second part. Okay, so just share this video, and if you want to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing and want to know more secrets, check out the first link in the description, because there you will learn how to make a first $100 per day as a complete beginner. So bye bye, tata for now, and I will see you in the next video.